Hey, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Mechanic Home Cooked. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Today I'll show you how to cook Gordon Ramsay best steak recipe. Alright, let me start with some New York strip, seasoning with salt, peppers, and rub all the seasoning into your steak. Beautiful. I have 3 garlic, doesn't have to be peeled, just lightly crushed. Some butter. Let's take a look before we cooked. Add olive oil to a hot pan and always lay your steak away from you. Turn it every minute. So this steak I cook for 4 minutes, so we turn 4 times. The second time that you turn, add garlic, some more oil, and seal the end before the third time that you turn. Both of them. After you seal and you flip for the third time, add some thyme into your pan. Next step, add some butter and bake when it's melt. Flip one more time and pick out your steak. It should look something like this. And let rest on a cutting board for same time as you cook. So I cook the steak for 4 minutes. So I rest for 4 minutes before I cut it. Slice your steak, not too thin, not too thick. And there you go. And this is how I make Gordon Ramsay's best steak recipe. I hope you like this video, and if you do, consider subscribing my channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.